the prices going down and transactions declining. So do you think it's going to get, I guess the question really for Dennis, so do you think it's going to go down as low as it was, I guess 10 years ago, where 1996, 1997, 1998, so prices declined by about 45+%. I guess, Eric, you've said you've seen about 15% or so far. Dennis, what's your perspective? Is it going to go as low as 1998?
Personally, I don't think, even if the crisis continues, I don't think property prices will go down as low as 98 levels. There are a few reasons. Firstly is land costs have actually gone up over the years. It's impossible for you to buy land in 98 prices, even though prices have come down. Secondly, construction costs are also higher compared to 98 levels. But of course, in the last 1 year or so, construction costs have actually come down. But compared to 98 levels, they are actually still higher. And of course, the third thing we can see from the recent transactions of the buyers. So like Eric said, I agree with him, because the buyers that we are seeing coming into the market, these are basically the HDB upgraders. They are the home buyers. So we are not seeing a lot of investors coming in. So recently it's all the home buyers. But what we also can see is that when prices hit like 550 per square feet, that's when the bargain hunters, people felt that it's value for money and they start coming in. Last but not least, I also want everyone to probably also look at the stock market, because based on historical analysis, typically the property market bottoms about 6 to 9 months after the stock markets. Recently, just now, I think there was a talk by Sebastian Chong, and I chatted with him. So he said that there's a 70% chance that the recent market low in March for stock markets could be the bottom of the market. So if the March low for stock markets turn out to be the bottom for the markets, then if we are talking about 6 to 9 months, then property markets might probably bottom in September to December. But of course, Sebastian and even myself also agree, we may not know whether that is the bottom yet. It might just be a bear market rally, so there might be another round of stock prices fall after this. So if that happens, then of course the property market might also bottom. The bottoming of the property market might also be delayed. Why are the stock markets? How does it affect property markets? A lot of investors, when they invest in stocks, they also invest in properties. So if they get trouble in stocks, if they are forced to sell, they might also be forced to sell properties. So that's why I say that don't just look at the property market in isolation. You should also probably look at the stock market trends as well.